ShareFactory Studio Snippets for Noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. How to transform text. So transforming text is just literally changing it about to how we want it. So you can see there's an option here in the text menu, and that's transform. So if we went on to transform, we can move it around to where we want using the left stick. We can make it bigger and smaller, but we're limited because we can only do transform stuff, and you see all these other options here, so we can get into those in a second. But to transform, we're using the left stick to move them around. We can make it bigger and smaller, so if we want to make it smaller, we use R1, make it bigger using R1 on the controller, and then that's as big as it will go there. And then we can obviously keep moving it around using the left stick. We can rotate it using L2 and R2. And then the other option that we can do is we can use the align function, which is where if you've got various bits of text, you can align it to certain parts of the screen. So we use the triangle on the controller to move it to align to the top, middle or bottom. Or if we wanted to go left, middle and right, we'd use the square buttons to go left, middle or right. There is the other align button we'll show you, but I like doing the transform and the align in the transform section, so maybe consider that when you're doing yours. So that's how to transform text. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.